Hi guys, and welcome to Cultnomics. My name is Paul Hanley, and today I'm going to be chatting to you about equilibrium demand and supply maths. In this video here, I'm going to show you how you can calculate equilibrium price and quantity in a market through equations. So we'll start off with our quantity demanded equation, so QD, and we'll say that that's equal to 500, which is our intercept term, minus 10, which is our slope, price. So we have our quantity demanded function here. We also need a quantity supplied function. So we'll say that quantity supplied on our market for this product is equal to, we will go with 200 here for the intercept, and we will say plus 10 price. So we have quantity demanded and supplied information, and we want to work out the equilibrium price and quantity in this case here. So what we do to work them out is we assume an equilibrium that the quantity demanded for a product is equal to the quantity supplied for a product. And if we do that, we can take the right hand side of our equation here, and we can take the right hand side of our quantity supplied equation, and we can put them equal to one another to work out equilibrium. So we can say 500 minus our 10p is equal to our supply function 200 plus 10p. And in this situation here, what we would like to do is we would like to solve for the unknown, and the unknown value here is price. So what we do is we bring everything with price to one side and everything just with a number to the other side. So I see that minus 10p here is over on the left hand side. If I bring that over to the right hand side, what I will get is a plus 10p when I bring it across the equals to sign. And I also have my plus 10p over here that I've left alone. So 10p plus 10p. I will bring my 200 over to the left hand side. I still have my 500 over here, but when I bring across my plus 200, it becomes a minus 200. So I've now rearranged my equation so that I have the unknown on the right hand side, the p's, and the numbers on the left hand side. So 10p plus 10p gives us 20p, and 500 minus 200 gives us 300. So we've broken it down into a simplified form, but we still need to work out what price is. And in order to get price on its own, what we'll do is we'll divide across both sides by 20. So it becomes 300 over 20, and it becomes 20 over 20, which is 1, so we can get rid of that. So in our case, we can say price is equal to 300 over 20, in which case price is equal to 15 euro. So the equilibrium price in this market for our product is a price of 15. And what we can do next is we can take that example and we can plug in or substitute in our price information here into either our original demand equation or our supply equation. So if I take the demand one first, our original demand was QD is equal to 500 minus 10 by price. Of course, we now know what price is, so I can say QD is equal to 500 minus 10, and we figured out what price is. We know the price is 15 in this case. So we can say QD is equal to 500 minus 10 by 15 is 150, which means that quantity demanded is 500 minus 150, which gives us 350 for quantity. So that's substituting price into our quantity demanded equation. However, we can change that up slightly if we want to as well. We can substitute it into our quantity supplied equation if we so wish. So we can get quantity supplied is equal to 200 plus 10p. We know that quantity supplied then is equal to 200 plus 10, and the price in this case here is still 15. We've worked that out already, so we substitute it in. And quantity supplied in this case then is QS is equal to 200 plus 10 by 15 is 150, which means that quantity supplied is the exact same as our quantity demanded answer. It is 350 for quantity. So to work out equilibrium price and quantity, you first work out the price level, and then you can substitute it into either the quantity demanded equation or quantity supplied. I hope you call back to Cultnomics soon. Bye for now.